welcome back. If you're not new here, my name is Amma Chang. I cover travel, lifestyle, and business. So be sure to subscribe down below to get all the amazing content and hit the bell notification button in order to be notified anytime I drop a new video. So let's get right to it. Is a little bit different from what I'm used to doing. I do a lot of travel videos, but I'm trying to get into some lifestyle videos as well. So that's going to be coming in a lot in 2021, especially because we are tied down at home with the whole panoramic, whatever it is. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoy the content. A lot of you have been asking or said that they want to see a tour of my new home.
Who said that? Who said that? Who said that?
What? I have moved to South Africa. I will be shooting a lot of content on my new lifestyle here and my new life and everything that I'm discovering. So be tuned to that as well. Apart from, my daily traveling videos, South Africa is a beautiful country. So I'm definitely excited to explore the many different places it has to offer. So today I'll be taking you through the house tour. And this house is pretty nice. It's actually really nice, not pretty nice. It's a furnished house, so I'll be taking you through everything. I haven't done much to it, but I'm excited to do much to it. So let's get right to it. So the moment you enter the house, this is the view that you get. A lot of lighting, and I think the design is mostly like an open space type of thing, which is really nice. So this is the view, and let me just take you right through the kitchen, which is the beginning of the tour. So this is the kitchen, and this is the kitchen island, and this is where I cook, obviously. It's the first time cooking in such a a cooking stove. So it was quite challenging in the beginning because when you're cooking, you'd have like your food spilling on the side, but no big deal. And this is my space that I work. I like sitting here a lot to work, so that's my work laptop. And this is my Valentine's present, so cute. So that's where it stays. So there's a lot of things that are right here. I'm looking into definitely putting a lot of decor in here. So this would probably be like a drawer, not a drawer, what is it called? Somewhere where I can just put all these files and these documents so that it's not such a mess. And here you have, the essentials for your day-to-day corona days, your vitamins and sanitizer and the likes of masks. So kitchen comes with a lot of storage. So you have your cutlery over here. That's where everything is at. My cooking pots, and down here you have the baking things. My young sister, when she was in town, that's what she was using. But I'm not much of a baker or a cook. Matter of fact, I like spending the most minimum time in the kitchen. So yeah, and yeah, more storage. And this is the pantry area. It's kind of a mess. I'm still, trying to figure out things and, still window shopping, but definitely I need to do something about this. So this is where I keep my stuff, the dry food, the grains, my oats, oil, egg, whatever it is. So yeah, and we have my containers for meal prepping over there. Yeah, and then we have the microwave, and we have the oven. I use this a lot for my food. It's the easiest thing to do. just bake stuff in there, chicken, whatever it is. And yeah, and then this is my coffee counter. I actually got this from at home. I think it's really nice. I like the quality and the color, but I definitely want to do something over here. I've seen a lot of ideas in the internet, like a coffee stand or something of that sort. So this is my coffee place that I visit almost every morning. I have to get my coffee before anything. Up here we have more storage where I put things that I use on my day-to-day, wine glasses, shot glasses, whatever it is. I live alone, so I really don't need much anyways. So but I'm looking forward to buy some nice, beautiful, aesthetic, more plates and more stuff like those for guests or whatever it is that I'm hosting. And here we have the sink, and my washing machine is right over here, and the dishwasher that I have never used, to be honest. Once you can take the girl out of the village, but you can take the village out of her, so I use my hands most of the times. And and some of my groceries over there. My fridge isn't that exciting, but yeah, some of my groceries. I went groceries shopping today. And let's move on to the sitting room. This is the guest toilet. It's pretty small, nothing exciting, just your basic toilet that your guests can use, which is good. And over here I have a garage. This is the garage, which I also rarely use because I like parking outside. It's more convenient than starting to park inside and getting the car out. So as you move to the living room, there's also some more storage over here. This is where basic cleaning stuff, that's where I put them. But also there's that place in the house where the just junk goes in there. Yeah, so this is it. So when I come through the door, most of the times I just leave my shoes over there. As you can see, those are other shoes that I just left over there. And sometimes it's because I'm lazy to move them upstairs, I just put them over here. And this is I've started boxing, so most of the times when I'm going to the gym in the morning, I just grab it over here. When I'm coming back, I just leave it over here, so it's more convenient. So yeah, this is not supposed to be my shoe closet, but apparently it turned out to be, unfortunately. But I need to move all those things upstairs. So now we move to the living room. So as you can see, the living room the theme is mostly gray and blue. It gives me that single man type of bachelor vibe. So I'm really trying to look around. I really want to change the atmosphere of this room. It's really nice. There's a lot of light, but I'm not feeling the decor as much. So I want to add that feminine energy and a lot of feminine vibes. I'm really into neutral and nude tones, so I'm happy that the TV stand, or whatever this is called, is white and brown. So that's the theme that I'll try to put throughout. I would want to have like carpet over here, like maybe gray and nude, I don't know, but something neutral as well. Some nice centerpieces. I just bought this this table, whatever, runner or mat, I don't know what it's called. I'm really not good at this interior design conversation or talk, but yeah, I got it from Mr. Price, if I'm not mistaken, and I got that candle as well from Mr. Price Home. It's supposed to spell vanilla, but it doesn't do anything. But yeah, so, and that's my ring light. If you follow me on Instagram, which you should, if you don't, I'll put my handle down below. You probably notice this area. I shoot my reels here a lot. It's just very convenient and I like it. So this is my ring light. It stays here most of the times, I'm not even gonna lie. What I'm looking to do is I want to add like a cupboard here with some ornaments, so give that vibe. I think I want this blue couch to go. It has to go, so that to give that gray, brown and white theme. And over here I want this, like, I don't know if I might put a picture up, might not, I don't know, but I want like a big mirror. There are these mirrors that have like golden borders that I'm really into, so I definitely would want to add something of that sort. And yes, some nice centerpieces over here, so I think it will really look great. And some nice like pampas grass, like some pots or something over here, and on this end some nice candles, like, you know, the new candles with like the bud candles. Yeah, I call them the bud candles in my head. I definitely would want to add them over here. So yeah, I think it's gonna look really pretty after I'm done. I'm definitely still window shopping. I'll probably be still be window shopping towards the end of the year, but hey, no pressure. I also don't want to invest a lot because I'm here temporarily, so I don't want to buy things that at the end of the day wouldn't make financial sense, but at the same time I want to definitely make this house a home. So I want to take you outside. Let's go. For starters, I'm calling all mom plants in order for you guys to be the godmothers of my plants, because your sister needs help. Like, I'm definitely not a plant person. So yeah, this is my little garden over here. My plants, I feel sorry for them, but yeah, you got me as your mom, sorry. I like sitting outside alone, or I think I hosted, yes, I did host a Christmas lunch over here, so it's really nice to have company and just sit outside and enjoy the sun than sitting inside all the time. I also have this a braai or stove or whatever it is to grill meat. I'll just take it off in a minute, take the cover off. I have never used this, but I'm welcoming anybody who's ready to use it. My boyfriend is actually really good at grilling meat, so I can wait for him to get here so that he can grill some nice meat over here and actually make this stove useful, hey. And this is pretty much my garden or outside area. It's pretty spacious. I also really like sitting outside and just reading a book. So you'd find me here on a Sunday. I'd lay my kanga, whatever it is, my cloth down and just chill and read a book. So this is pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the video and you enjoyed the tour. Like if you enjoyed it, and in order to push the algorithm, and if I get a lot of likes, I'll probably show more of my house. Probably that should convince you to like, right? So yeah, see you next time. Take care, stay safe, and bye for now.